everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 10 programming languages for 2021. So let's go ahead and take a look at the list. Okay, jumping into the list, at number 10 is PHP, which is used pretty much exclusively for web development. Coming in at number 9 is Swift from Apple, which is an object-oriented programming language used mostly for mobile development. Coming in at number 8 is R, which is used for statistical software, data analysis, and data mining. Coming in at number 7 is the Google Go language. And this is a very flexible application, but perhaps its best use is for data-intensive applications, data communications over the network, and that kind of thing. But a very flexible language. You can also use it for web development and also desktop applications. Coming in at number 6 is C++, which is the object-oriented extension to the C programming language. Still very popular and is very flexible, can be used in a number of different scenarios. So that's the first half of the list. Let's go ahead and look at the next half. Now let's look at the second half of the list. Coming in at number 5 is the C programming language. This is a pretty old language. It's been around a long time. There's lots of legacy code out there, but still lots of reasons to program in C. It's a very fast language since it's compiled to the native architecture. So if you want to write something where speed is really critical on a piece of hardware, this might be a good choice. Also, it's used heavily still for operating system development. The Linux kernel is written in C. Coming in at number 4 is C# from Microsoft. This is really their de facto standard programming language. Very flexible language. You can use it for web development, back-end systems, and it's also now being heavily used on Microsoft Azure for their cloud applications as well. And .NET Core is the new standard around Microsoft and development moving forward, which is a cross-platform environment. Coming in at number 3 is Java. Java's been around a while as well. Originated at Sun Microsystems and was taken over when Oracle bought Sun Microsystems. Still tons of legacy code out there. I would be surprised if a lot of new developments were being used with Java. However, it is also widely supported on the cloud platform, so for service development, it's a good operation for serverless. And then at number 2 is JavaScript, which originally originated in the browser, but now is very popular for backend, for serverless types of development in things like AWS Lambda, for example. So that's the second half of the list. Now let's take a look at number 1. So coming in at number 1, the number 1 programming language is Python. Python is an extremely flexible language, and it's very popular because the code is easy to read and it's fairly easy to learn as well. Very flexible. You can do all kinds of things. There are a lot of great extensions and tools out for Python. And quoted here is the number of jobs is 19,000 that are available, and the average annual salary is 120,000. So if you're already a programmer and you feel like you're stuck in a rut and you want to learn something new, Python's an excellent choice for a programming language. Let's go ahead and wrap this video up. In summary, Python is now the number 1 language, and the market continues to be very strong for software developers, and there's a particularly strong demand if you also have cloud skills. So if you can combine development along with cloud skills, there will be a lot of opportunity for you. I've also included the source of the data for this video below, so if you want more details, you can go there and check it out. Thanks again, and I'll see you in another video soon. Thank you so much for your interest in this video. If you like the material, please click the like button. And if you want to see more material like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.